Hello everyone, welcome back to East Education London. This is our predicted paper for the GCSE Maths exam taking place in May 2024. So we are going to be going over some past paper questions and going over some topics and also providing you with top tips as well in terms of how to prepare for your upcoming exams. Now, the first question reads, write the decimal that is equivalent to 7/10. Okay, now the first question you need to ask yourself is, what is 1/10 as a decimal, right? Sorry, if I use a thicker, use 3. Yeah, so if we work out 1/10, we know 1/10 is the same as 0.1. So 7/10, all you do is you times it by 7. So 7/10, 0.1 times 7 equals 0.7. So that means your answer for the first question, 7/10 as a decimal, 0.7. Question number 2, round 3,372 to the nearest hundred. Okay, so we look at our ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So if we look at the hundreds, okay, we've got 372. Now if we round that to the nearest 100, you need to ask yourself, is it closer to 300 or 400? So clearly it's closer to 400 because 72. So that means when we rewrite it, it'll be 3,400. That would be the nearest hundred. Okay, so that would be your answer for question 2. Question number 3 is simplify fully the expression b plus 7b minus 3b. So all you do, okay, so the different ways you can do it, you can add 7b, which is 8b, and then bring this minus 3b here. 8b minus 3b equals 5b. Okay, so that was easy, so you can just put 5b. Question number 4, minus 16 minus 3. So now we're going further away from 0. So all you do from minus 16, you go back 3. So minus 16 minus 3 will be minus 19. Okay, and that's that. Now here's another question. These are common questions that may come up in your exam. Just to give you an idea of how to be prepared in answering these questions. So it says, here's a triangle, one line is extended. Work out the size of angle x. So we know angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So if this is 85, this is 65, you do 85 add 65, which gives us 150 degrees. We need to work out this angle here. So to find this missing angle, we know angles in a triangle equal to 180. So all you do, 180, take away this number, 150. So these angles were subtracted to find this one here, which is 30 degrees. So that means this angle here is 30 degrees, but we need to find x. And we know x is on a straight line, as you can see here. So angles on a straight line, again, another rule that you need to remember, angles on a straight line equal 180 degrees. So to find this missing angle, we already know this part is 30. So all you do, 180 take away 30 gives us 150. So that means the angle for x here would be 150 degrees, and that's that. So if you showed you working out like that, you would get your 2 marks. And again, these are some common questions that you come up across. So subtracting fractions. So if you have 3/4 equal minus 5/8 or 5/8, you need to make the denominator the same. So you need to find the LCM. So we know 4 and 8. All we can do is we can change the 4 to an 8. So you times the denominator by 2 times the numerator by 2. So 3 times 2 is 6 over 4 times 2 is 8. Subtract 5/8. You keep the second fraction as the same, because remember the rule, when subtracting fractions, you need to make the denominator the same. Otherwise, you wouldn't be able to, you're not going to be able to answer the question. Now, 6/8 take away 5/8 is 1/8, and that is your answer. Okay, so the reason why we can subtract is because we've got 8 at the bottom as the denominator, and yeah, that's how you'd get the answer, 1/8. Part B, work out 2/7 times 3/10. So this one's really straightforward. So multiplying fractions, all you do, numerator times the numerator and denominator times the denominator. 2 times 3 and 7 times 10. 2 times 3 is 6, 7 times 10 is 70. Answer 6/70, and that is your answer. Okay, now in its simplest form you can simplify even further, because 6 and 70, they're both even numbers. If I half it, half of 6 is 3, half of 70 is 35. Can it be simplified even further? No, and that is your answer, so it's in its simplest form. Again, we'll do one more question just to give you an idea. Solve 7x minus 2 equals 3x plus 14. So to solve this, what I can do is I can take the numbers from the left to the right, okay? And we want to ideally put letters and numbers in two separate sides, so it makes it easier for us to work out. So if I have minus 2, if I plus 2 and take it to the other side, so that means the minus 2 and plus 2 cancel out. It'll be 7x equals 3x. 14 plus 2 is 16. 3x plus 16. And then you want to take the x to the other side. Now you do that by minusing 3x minus 3x. So the 3x cancels out, so it'd be 4x, because you do 7x minus 3x equals 16. Now to find x, all you do, divide both sides by 4. Divide by 4, divide by 4. That means x is 16 divided by 4, which is 4. Okay? And that's your answer. So I hope you found this video informative and beneficial, something different. If you would like to see any more videos, please do let us know. If there's any particular topics, we'll try to cover them on our channel. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share for more. Thank you.